Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about assertTrue. New package data. I'm creating data package. Inside the data, I'm creating one Java class which is event data. The class name is event data. And let me create one method that returns the boolean value test event that takes the integer value. So write one if condition if the value which I am passing in the parameters, the integer value percentage of 2, if it is percentage of 2 double equal to 0, that means if it is an even number, return true, I am saying, else return false. That's it. Control Alt L to format the code. In the test package, I am creating one package, so-called package data. Inside the data, right click, new Java class event data test. I am saying in the event data test, let me create one method which is a test method, void test event I am saying, and annotate this method with @test, which imports from the org.junit.jupyter. Now create the object event data equal to new event data. Now do the assertions dot assertTrue with the reference variable, call the method which is test event method and pass the number. I am passing the number as 2. Let me run this test case. Run it. See here, the test has been passed. That means when the control comes here, it will go inside this method. It will check the if condition. That means it will check this condition. If the number is even, it returns the value true. If the number is odd, it returns false. See here, the test has been passed. That means this assertTrue condition has satisfied and it returns the true. Let's first suppose if I given here the number is 3. Let me run this test again. The test has been failed. Expected is true and the actual is false. That means when I have given the number 3, it will go inside this test condition. It will go inside this if condition. This if condition doesn't satisfy, so it will come here and it returns the false value. That's why the test has been failed. Let's first suppose I have given number 4. Run. See here, the test has been passed. That's about the assertTrue. Thank you.